Sukhāsana, otherwise known as easy pose. We usually can find this shape in the start of a class or an end of a class usually. It's also great just to sit in, like for meditation, for example. So with Sukhasana, I want both of my sitting bones on the mat. I want the outsides of my feet and my ankles on the mat as well. I have my right shin or right leg in front of my left. And I think like you want to roll the shoulder blades down and back, create length by drawing the crown of the head tall to the sky. I like to imagine there's like a string pulling the crown of my head upwards. I'm creating length in the spine, and then I'm tucking the chin slightly. You can also place your hands into a mudra, or a hand gesture or symbol, or simply you just place your hands onto your knees or hands into the lap. I like to close the eyes as well, and just start to connect with deeper breath, really becoming aware of the inhales and the exhales, noticing the rise and the fall of your chest with each breath. Maybe noticing your heartbeat. Noticing any sounds or sensations around you. And it's a really nice way to just drop in, to get grounded and connect with the present moment. I already feel super calm just from doing this for like 30 seconds.